The upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been spotted in a leak from a tipster on Weibo via MySmartPrice. This next-gen foldable phone is expected to bring several enhancements over its predecessor. One notable improvement is the upgraded under-display camera, which promises better clarity for selfies on the primary display. However, the tipster also shared some disappointing news about the battery specs. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature the same 4,400 mAh battery pack as its predecessor, with no major changes in the battery department. This might be a letdown for some, considering the device's ultra-premium status. One of the significant upgrades this year is the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, although other aspects may remain relatively unchanged. Another exciting development is the new hinge mechanism and improved foldable screen, which almost eliminates the crease entirely. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might also be one of the slimmest foldable phones yet, but this could mean the removal of the S Pen to achieve a slimmer profile. In addition, Samsung is gearing up for the launch of its newest foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Leaks have revealed details about the launch date, price, and more, hinting at significant upgrades compared to the Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to be unveiled in July, following the same launch timeline as its predecessors. Pricing for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 is anticipated to match their predecessors' prices, with the Galaxy Z Flip 7 at $1,099 and the Galaxy Z Fold 7 at $1,899. In India, this could translate to Rs109,999 for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Rs164,999 for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. A PandaFlash X post at PandaFlash Pro reveals that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will feature a revamped hinge design, reducing the visibility of the foldable screen's crease. The device is also expected to boast innovative flexible glass and an upgraded vapor chamber, enhancing its thermal performance.